Hey guys, it's Raven Alexis D here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Halloween look. I wanted to be like a pretty Pennywise, so that's kind of what I was going for. Just like a cute, you know, clown. And these contacts definitely set it off. Yes. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Okay guys, so let's get into this look. So I know my hair is looking a little crazy, but it'll all come together as you see in the beginning. I just need my scarf, you know, to keep like the foundation out the way, and yeah, all that good stuff. So I'm brushing my brows and I'm starting off using this Tulip body art paint, and it's in white. The reason that we need this is so that we can pick up the color pigment, also because it has a wet consistency, and that way it'll also pick up the pigment, because if it was something dry it probably just wouldn't have worked as well. Okay, so now that my brows are complete, I'm going to go ahead and conceal them with concealer, same as I would if it were a normal makeup routine, just to make sure that they look pretty sharp and neat. So I'm going to go ahead and use these lip crayons that I have. I actually don't know where these are from. It was a gift from a coworker around Christmas time, like a desk gift, because people know I love makeup. But I'm going to assume that these are probably from like a Walgreens or something like that, like a drugstore. And I'm just gonna like sketch that all into my brow, and I'm gonna go ahead and with a angled liner brush and just clean it up any areas that look a little smudgy. Now with my Morphe 35B palette, I'm gonna go in right with the pink that's right in the middle of the palette. It's more like a purple pink, and I'm actually going to use that to like set over top of my brows so that they won't look like waxy or like transfer onto anything. And I'm just setting a base for my eyeshadow. I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer, and it's in the color Creamy Beige. And I'm going to make sure that I blend that out really well. And I'm going to go ahead and use my Sigma E40 brush. It's like a pointed blender, and I'm going to use that light pink right in my crease and make sure I blend it out. So I'm going to use this neon pink color, and I'm just going to place this one into my crease and blow these pink and purple colors out. Here I'm just blending out any color transitions to look smoother with that same Sigma brush. Then I deepened it with a purple a bit before I placed that black shadow from the same 35B palette onto the lower portions of my lid. And this little pointed blender is a Morphe E36 brush that I'm using right in the crease. So now I'm using this Ciante Wonderland black liner, and I placed that liner all underneath of my waterline on the inside and the outer corners of my eyes, just to make sure that it was like really black around my lid. So I went ahead and started prepping my skin to get ready for my foundation routine, and I just did everything as normal, like my foundation, highlight, and contour. Okay, so now with that same pink neon eyeshadow, I'm going to start like shading down like a triangle shape underneath of my eye. And then from that, I'm going to make like a line right in the center of the triangle that just kind of like drags into the corners of my mouth. Just like the Pennywise clown. And this was pretty easy. I just kind of kept packing on the eyeshadow until I felt that it was pigmented enough that you could like see it. And I just repeated that same motion over top of my brows to make like two lines, those like evil, scary brow lines. Now I'm going to use these glitters that I got from Michael's Arts and Crafts with also these like little gemstones. And I'm using my Too Faced glitter glue to put it all on. And I just like put some on a liner brush and just like packed it underneath of my eye and just put the glitter like right behind it. And I just pretty much kept repeating that process until I got all over the pink areas that I shaded down. So I started feeling like I wanted to see like a little bit more of a pop with the glitter. So I went ahead and got my MAC Brilliant glitters. I think it's called Brilliant glitters or like glitter Brilliance, got it. And this color was platinum, and it kind of gave that like unicorn brightness that I definitely wanted. So yeah, that worked out a lot better. And I went ahead and used these gemstones, and I actually put that on with the glitter glue as well. So yeah, it held up like pretty nice. So I'm gonna just be extra at this point and put some glitter in my brows as well. Why not just make them pop out a bit more? And I'm gonna go ahead and finish and put some glitter right back on that shadow area at the top of my brows. And I also finished that off with putting like a little gem at the top of both of those lines. So now I'm gonna make those clown lips. That looks like I'm smiling even when I'm not smiling. So I just used the black liner to line all around my lips. And I made like point lines on the corners to kind of connect with that pink shadow. And I used the Mark's Velvet Lip Paint in the color Fancy, also with BH Cosmetics lip gloss. And I made like a ombre lip to look like, you know, like devious, like real. So now for that like round button nose, I just used that same lip crayon color from earlier that I used on my brows, and I just drew around like a circle. And I used the black liner like around the sides because I felt like they gave it like dimension just to look like it's popping off a little bit more. And that's pretty much it for my clown look, my version of a pretty Pennywise. And I went and put in some like gauge earrings, but they're not real. They're just like a screw on with like a top and a back, and I got those from Spencer's. So my final step to this look was definitely these crazy color contacts. I had to come through and just like notch it up. These things are looking so scary, but at the same time it's like kind of like a sexy little like naughty scary clown. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and you know, let me know if you're feeling it or whatever. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.